As I write this letter, my heart beating much too fast for my pen. Soon I'll be in your arms again. Today I'll be with you. Today is all the sweet, sweet pieces once more. Darling, that's what I'm longing for. But most of all, I just wanna hear that wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I hear the sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love, whatever be we part. I need you. Those stories have been storing up in my mind. When I got home, what will I find? Will you still remember? And will your love be tender and strong? I've been away from you so long. So when I'm home, I just wanna hear this wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I hear the sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love.